Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this African headdress together. If you think you like it or you think you like what you're seeing, kindly subscribe, click on the like, share, drop your comments about my look. I'm going to be doing a very special edition. I am trying to do the photo shoot for my birthday, so I'm going to tie the African attire and I'm going to be wearing the African gele. I did a previous video, if you look over here or here, about how to tie your gele or African head wrap, and today I'm going to be showing you a video of how to do it yourself. What's more amazing than having a video showing you how to do it yourself, showing you the tips, the tricks, and the way your flabby arms are going to be hurting? I'm going to show you guys everything. If you think you like this video or you want to know more about how to tie your head tie yourself, you want to keep watching. Before we go right into this video, I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to the new subscribers. I know you're going to click the subscribe button right now because on this channel, you don't want to miss out. You want to know everything. You want to have the tea. You want to get yourself together. On my channel, I bring makeup, DIYs, lifestyle, and fashion choices. So today we're going with some fashion tips on how to get yourself situated to look cute for that birthday party, that Owambe weekend, that Nigerian beautiful wedding. You don't want to go and be, having your head wrap folded like this. No, this head wrap, we're going to tie it on the head and you're going to see me wear my beautiful outfit. If you think you like this or you want to know more about how I got this together, keep watching. As you can see, my hair is out in the open. What I just basically did was put some edge control on the edges of my hair, and as you can see, my edges is pretty laid down. So this is the gele, the same thing with what I showed you the other time. We have this cut into half, so this is like a pretty long fabric, but I divided it into two equal parts, and the two equal parts, I'm just going to take the edge right here, smooth it all the way down. I'm taking an inch in and I'm smoothing it all the way down. I'm doing the same thing over here. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. This wrong side is going to be placed like so on my hair. I'm placing it, making it a bit firm. Can you see me? Placing it like so, and I'm smoothing it down to show I'm not going to start from here. I'm starting from here, so my edges are showing. I'm going to take, can you see this is the back? I'm just going to whip it like so. Bringing this one forward, bringing this one forward right now, and I've got two equal parts standing like so. I'm just going to adjust it. It's going to stay on my hairs. If I want to take it behind my hairs, maybe because I'm feeling a bit uncomfortable, I'm going to do that. But right now, I'm going to leave it on my hairs. So this is the base. Taking one round, I'm going to take it like so, pushing this a little bit far, and I'm going to put this on the edge. So I'm taking it, just splitting this beauty here. Look, just keep doing this. You're just going to keep doing this for a while. Smoothing the edge. Take from here, pull it straight and firm, and just move it all the way forward. And this is a bit more technical when you're doing it on yourself, but we're just gonna get it like so. So this, I'm just gonna pull it down. I'm going to pull it down, smoothing the edge. Take it behind. Then the other one, I'm going to take it again. I'm taking it all over my hairs. And I'm doing like so. So I don't need to hold the other one that I just folded in because I'm securing it very tightly with this one. So right now I'm just going to start doing my pleats. This way. So at this junction, my hand hurts. I'm going to relax it. I just did for like a millisecond and I'm back. So I'm just going to keep adjusting it. I'm forming a little bit of the splits. Really, it's a lot of work. Using the little one that I have at the back, I'm just going to tie it into a knot. To tie it into a knot, I have to pull it. I have to pull it over here. So I'm pulling these two knots. I'm going to pull it and tuck it in. Now it's secure and tight. But to get the shape of the style I want, now I'm going to go in to style my gele. If you see me looking down, it's because I have a mirror in front of me and I just want to be sure that what I'm doing is proper and accurate. That's why I'm looking down. And this is the outcome. I'm trying to form a shape. You can actually make it to be whatever shape you want. I'm doing a semi I'm doing a pointed V edge, and I also have it, you know, swirled to the side over here. I feel like this is cute. It's not a particular style, but I just sort of winged it and came up with this. It looks pretty cute. So next, I'm just gonna go get dressed. And voila, we're done with this Gele tutorial. If you loved watching this or you enjoyed the fact that I tied this and you can do it also, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you're gonna recreate this, tag me on my Instagram at Garbie'Signature. I'm gonna repost it. If you think you enjoyed this and you wanna see more, kindly go subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell on, give me a thumbs up, comment about your thoughts about this look in the video. See you another time and stay blessed. And if you're going to recreate this style, kindly drop it in my comments. I want to hear from you. I feel fabulous. I feel fantastic. This is the period. When you hear period, this is the period when you're going to a Nigerian event and you want to look snatched. We come to the end of this video. If you love it and you think you're going to recreate this look, kindly go click the subscribe button right now. Give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section. And see y'all later.